Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. And on this episode we're gonna make some healthy yellow beans with arrowroot and some bananas and some potatoes, guys. It's the best and I love it. You can't wait for its nutritional benefits, so stay tuned, guys. So guys, for our ingredients, we have 3 green bananas. I told you about the benefits of bananas. We have 3 arrowroots. Here we are. And some 5 potatoes for you guys. And of course, I had boiled some maize, or if you want to call it corn, and the yellow beans, guys. So I had already boiled it, so it's ready. And then you have your 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then 1 onion, guys, and then that's it. So guys, these little guys are so nutritious. I will tell you about the nutritional benefits of corn, of yellow beans, of potatoes, of bananas, and you will love it, guys. And for our arrowroots, guys, the benefits, they aid in weight loss, they improve heart health, boost energy levels in the body, and they also prevent like diseases like diabetes, guys. So it's so nice for you guys to include some of these foods. So guys, the easiest method is just to boil them, all of them, in a large pot. So what we do, we'll peel them first. Don't get me started on arrowroot. I love them. The benefits are so many. Yeah. So first of all, like, they have no gluten, guys. So it's just a powerhouse for B vitamins. These guys are so nutritious. Yeah. So actually they are so good for your kids, for your munchkins. They will love this. It also helps to boost your metabolism. They promote healthy sleep. You better have that ndoma in your morning tea with breakfast, guys. They are so nutritious and they are just so healthy. They are good for your heart because they have high potassium and sodium ratio, guys. So yeah. So what I really love about them is on weight loss. If you want to lose weight, they really aid in weight loss, guys. So have that ndoma. Nutrition all the way. 2021 is a nutritional year, guys. Yeah. So we've been keeping up with natural living, and you want to keep it up, start with ndoma and start having it. Yeah. So if you're wondering if ndoma is good for you guys, the answer is definitely yes. After peeling, put them in a large pot and put some water and boil them. So we are done with those ones. Whoa. So once you're done, you just add the potatoes. Make sure they cover, the water covers all of them, so it's easy. Guys, next we'll peel our bananas. As usual, guys, I told you that the health benefits of bananas, and they give you healthy digestion, kidney health, insulin sensitivity, metabolism benefits, increased nutrient absorption, guys, you better have that banana in your food. And you know what I love about them? They are just low in sugar, so they are good for your kids. You see, guys, we've added just 3 and they are very nutritious. And you know why? Something else, fat burning. You better have them in your food, guys. So we let this cook for 15 minutes and they'll be done. Then we'll mix our yellow beans with corn, and voila, you have your healthy meal. I think 15 minutes are over. I have my milkshake. Go on my milkshake episode and you're gonna make this milkshake with 3 ingredients in 3 minutes, and it's so sweet, guys. It's ready, as you can see. So you can check with a fork, and it goes down easily. It's well done. It's well done. So what we'll do, we'll drain half the water, and then we're gonna put our yellow beans and the corn, or if you call it maize, mixture of corn and maize. So I used 2 cups of yellow beans and 2 cups of corn or maize. So yeah, that's it. And then I boiled it in a pressure cooker for like, it was 45 minutes. But if you're using a normal pot with water, I think it will take you 1 hour, guys. So yes, this was ready. So we drain this. Yes, guys, you guessed it right. The #1 benefit of corn is weight loss. Yeah, so we're gonna add this and cover for 10 minutes. Another benefit of corn is it improves digestive health, and it's also brilliant for eyesight, guys. So have that corn in your food. It also prevents anemia, and it's so rich in protein. So guys, as this dries up, we're gonna heat our oil in our saucepan, and we'll put our onions. Then after 2 minutes, they become translucent. You can add your garlic. So it's done. So we'll drain all the water that is remaining, and then we're gonna mash it. And voila, our healthy meal is here, guys. Look at this. So done, so well, so healthy. So what you do, you just mash with a wooden spoon or Mukimo. So what I love about these yellow beans, guys, it's because they consist healthy nutrients, guys, such as minerals, and it's one of the best sources of proteins. So if you want to get proteins in your diet, it's a very good example to use. And it has high oxidant levels, guys. So it reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Look at this, looks awesome. Power packed healthy meal. This is what I call power packed meal, and #1 of them all is just nutritional benefits. highly nutritious. Look at the way the arrowroot, the bananas, the potatoes, the yellow beans come together. I love it. So tasty, guys. And it didn't take more than 30 minutes to make this. We boiled it for 15 minutes and you're good to go. So another nutritional benefit of yellow beans, it has the beans lower cholesterol level and reduce the risk of developing heart-related complications. And they also assist in improving digestive health. Guys, really amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Awesome. Your family will love this one. So next, our remaining arrowroot. I like the way it just crushes like this. I love making this healthy meal for my family, and I love the way it has just come together so awesomely. So what I'll do next is I'll fry this. So put in our onions here. Look at this. So yummy. I love it. To admit to you, my mom taught me this Mukimo recipe for using the yellow beans, and it's so yummy. I love it. It's the best. Can't wait to taste this one, guys. I love how the arrowroots, the taste they give to this Mukimo, to this mash. So what we do, switch off the heat and you serve immediately. So we'll serve. Look at this, amazing. It's finally ready. It is so delicious. The best Mukimo you'll ever taste, guys. So delicious. So first of all, 3 bananas, arrowroot, some yellow beans and corn or maize. Mash it up, you're done, and it's so healthy. Weight loss cut, cholesterol cut. This is what you'll have. So I have served mine with a bit of meat stew. Look at this, and it's so tasty. So I'll have a taste. It's so awesome. Try this one and let me know, guys, and you will love it. So I have had an awesome episode making this, guys. You are like more Mukimo recipes, so another Mukimo recipe coming your way, guys. You don't want to miss it, so make sure you subscribe, give me that like, give me that comment, share, and I'll see you guys on my next episode. So stay tuned. That's it from me. Bye.